Hello, young minds. I hope you all are doing fine. I am CA Vidya Rao here to give you a guidance on how to approach CA Foundation, exclusive recommendation, or some guiding points on Paper 1 accounting. This video is going to give you a complete roadmap on how to plan for your Paper 1, guys. I sincerely recommend three-step process to all of my students. These are very basic, simple steps, guys. Step 1. Be it you're attending any coaching class or doing a self study, make sure you're sticking to one study material. So, fix your study material. Also, it is very important that this study material, whatever you are referring, is very much relevant or prepared on the basis of ICAI study material. So, that becomes very, very important, guys. Step 2 is after understanding the concept, what is the next approach? Practicing problems. Each and every problem mentioned in the ICI study material, be it in the form of illustrations or be it in the form of practical questions, it becomes very important that you practice solve each and every question. Step 3. This is where most of our friends lose out, guys. Be it while completing the class or be it while doing self study or revising. Completing 100% of the syllabus. This becomes very, very crucial, guys, because you are giving a CA exam. There is no strict blueprint that you have chapters or questions coming on the same note. It is always important that you complete 100% of the syllabus. These are the three simple steps which I recommend before you proceed with any subject, guys. Additionally, I would also give you some pro tips on how you can master this subject. First point here being marking questions while you are actually solving. Definitely, guys, this is a very important point in the preparation stage. Assume you're solving any particular questions. There would be a lot of questions which are similar to each other. Don't you think you need not repeat the time invested on the same again? So mark only those questions which you feel you want to refer it again, which you feel in the sense it should be tricky enough or it should be a one-time practice questions. So when you mark, when you're actually doing the second revision, it becomes very important that you're going to save a lot of time here than the initial while you are invested on the same chapter. Next point is making short notes or pointers. Personally, guys, I was doing this while I studied for CA exams. This was really helpful for me. What is this point all about, ma'am? If I felt one question is talking or treating some points differently, or it was some unique point compared to the previous one, I was making sure that I would write down it somewhere so that I'm not going to miss out on that point. Definitely, such points would be value adding to any question and it would also be with respect to the marking. So, you can also inculcate this in your preparation journey. Next point is making your own important question list at the end of every chapter. Now, this again becomes a time saver for you guys. After you complete a particular chapter, you would have solved some set of questions based on that chapter. Make sure you do your analysis, jot down what important questions you would have felt so that you'll have that reckoner already with you, important from your point of view. This definitely saves a lot of time while you are revising, guys. By completing all of these process, you would have substantially got that momentum, that confidence on this particular subject. Then you can pick up RTP released by ICAI. For our advantage, Institute releases RTP chapter wise, guys. So this helps a lot while you're doing chapter wise revisions. Once you've completed all of these, guys, take up mock tests. Institute makes mock tests in two series, guys. It is advised that you visit ICI centers because you'll have that exam environment to give those mock tests. But if it is not convenient for you, you can download it when the ICI releases the paper and make sure you're sitting those 3 hours as if you're giving a mock exam because this becomes your rehearsal, guys. Once you're giving the mock exam, you can either give that paper for evaluation to any of your family member or friends, or you can self evaluate. Here, you will definitely come to know what mistakes you would have done and what could be the room for improvement make sure you're also noting those too. All of these now is nothing but one step closer for you to gain that momentum in this paper, guys. Definitely, if you follow all of these points, no one is stopping you to score minimum 70 to 80 in this paper. I am sure these points would have helped you in your preparation. If this video helped you, do share among your friends for preparing for CA Foundation. If you need any other guidance, drop me your query in the comments below, guys. Until I see you next time, stay connected, prepare well, let's do it.